So, dear student, today we are going to learn very important topic, which is known as the pulley and belt drive. Okay. So, what is mean by drive? Drive is a concept by which we can transfer motor energy to the machine energy, or we can transfer motion of motor power to the machine power. So here you can see, here this is your motor shaft, this green is your motor shaft, okay, and on that shaft I have kept this belt, this is blue color belt, okay, and this is your machine shaft, okay, this green shaft, it is your machine shaft. When you start motor with the help of electric current, so this shaft gets started, okay, and to transfer this shaft motion to the machine shaft, we have to use a belt. So this type of assembly or this type of construction, it is known as the drive, okay. So here using belt, you are going to transfer motion of motor shaft to the machine shaft. So this is regarding your belt drive. But for belt drive, what you need is very important is a pulley. So pulley will be mounted on a shaft. Here your shaft will be there, and on that shaft your pulley will be there. So in pulley there are number of parts, or pulley made up of number of parts. So outermost portion of the pulley, it is known as a rim, R-I-M, rim, okay, and inner part of the pulley, it is known as a hub. Hub is the center, hub is nothing but a center of pulley. Here we can insert the shaft, and to join rim and hub there is a arms. So these are the arms, okay. So this is basic parts of the pulley, which are known as a rim. Outer part is a rim, inner part is a hub, and to join rim and hub we use a arm. Now when this pulley mounted on a driving shaft, means on motor shaft, okay, so this pulley known as a driving pulley, and when this pulley mounted on a machine shaft, it is known as a driven pulley. The source of power is at motor, so that is known as a driver pulley, okay, and this is known as a driven pulley. So here in this case you can see, student, so if you rotate this pulley like this is your rotating direction. If you rotate this pulley like this, so this will be your driver pulley, and this is your driven pulley, okay, driven pulley. So this will be your motor shaft, and this will be your machine shaft. Here in this case, what happened? This type of belt drive known as the open belt drive. So open belt drive, what happened? Both pulleys, driver pulley as well as driven pulley, rotate in a same direction. So this is known as the open belt drive. But sometimes what happen? We require motor should be in clockwise direction and machine should be in anti-clockwise direction. In that case, you have to use a cross belt drive. Here you can see the direction carefully. So this is direction. This is the direction of your driver pulley, and this is the direction of your driven pulley, means of machine pulley. So machine pulley rotating like this, and this is rotating like this. So this is known as a cross belt drive. Okay. But in this drive, there are number of pulleys used at a time. Okay, number of pulleys used at a time means there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 pulleys are there. And for looping the belt, or for in less space, you have to consume, or you have to we have to adjust the belt. We use a compound belt drive. Or on a single drive, suppose this is your motor drive, and you can rotate this, and using this type of belt assembly you can rotate all the machines. Using single motor you can continue or you can drive number of machine at a time. For such a assembly or for such a drive, you require a compound belt drive. So dear student, just we have seen this is your driver pulley and this is your driven pulley. When you drive this, when you rotate this side of belt will be tight. This side of belt will be tight and this side will be automatically loose. It is just like a cycle chain. When we push the pedal in front side, so upper side of the chain get tight and lower side get slack. So this is your tight side and this is your slack side. So depending on driver rotating position or driving shaft rotating position, you can decide which side is a loose or slack. Okay. So here again one important thing is there. If you from this particular point, if you make a line like this, okay, and this particular angle, okay, where belt is actually touching to the pulley surface, okay, where belt is actually touching to the pulley surface, this angle is known as arc of contact. What is that? Arc of contact. This is known as arc of contact. Here arc of contact, what you can see here, this will be your arc of contact, boys. Here pulley is touching to the belt from this to this area. This circumference area will in contact with the belt. So this is your arc contact. In this case, what happen? This will be your arc of contact. So if your arc of contact is more, then slipping of belt is less. जितना बेल्ट तुम्हारा बेल्ट का आर्क ऑफ कांटेक्ट ज्यादा रहेगा उतना बेल्ट पुली के साथ पकड़ के रहेगा. नहीं तो ये यदि कांटेक्ट तुम कम करते हो, इसमें देखो इसमें क्या हो रहा है, इसमें जो है ये कम हो रहा है, तो जितना कम हो जाएगा तो वो स्लिप हो सकता है. सो टू अवॉइड दैट मीन्स स्लिप, we have to use another pulley that we will learn in next lecture. So student, in previous video or previous slide you see that arc of contact is very important term. Here suppose this is your driving pulley and this is your driven pulley. So this black line will show that this is your belt. But here if you this will your arc of contact at initial condition, and here this will be your arc of contact at initial condition. But when this belt get loose, so it may slip from the pulley surface. So there will be the power loss. To avoid that power loss and to tighten that belt, we have to use third pulley, which is known as a idler pulley, or it is also known as a jockey pulley, just like a jockey which ride on a horse. Okay, so it is known as a idler pulley. What this pulley does, see carefully, if you press this pulley on this belt, okay, this black belt converted into this curve, okay, and it is due to this weight of this pulley, it is tightened here, and due to that tightness, what happen here, your arc of contact get increased by this degree. See boys, okay, so this arc of contact get increased. So if that increase, so your possibility of slipping is less. So this is actual use of jockey pulley, and this is used frequently in industry to avoid the power loss. Okay.